All right, for today, we are going to do the first part of the review test. This is our practice test. So this actually has 2 pages, and we're going to do the first page today, and then you can do the second page, tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'll assign the test. Today I'm not going to assign anything in Sync Central for you to do, so you can work on one of your packet math pages instead. And you can look at this video, though, so that you can be ready for tomorrow, and then I'll assign the test tomorrow. All right, so our test is going to be on sorting data and sorry, my phone just received a text. It's going to be on data and graphing and comparing data. So data is when we have information and we organize it. So this is not organized. This is just a big picture here. I want to sort that. They use the word sort here. And I want to record. Record means I'm going to draw something here to represent those. And then I'm going to be able to see in nice, neat lines here. My data is going to be organized so I can see how many. There's labels. This is called a graph. This word says stripes. This word says spots. And this word says solid. Solid means no stripes or spots. All right, so I can see that I have bugs here. My data are bugs. And it tells me to sort the bugs and to record my data with circles and then to tell how many in each group over here. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So that says stripes. So I'm going to go ahead and circle my stripy ones. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are the ones that I see that have stripes. All right, so I saw 9. So I'm going to read this stripes. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This says spots. You go ahead and see how many you think have spots. And then we'll do this later. Oops, I forgot to write my 9 there. And then solids are going to be the ones like this one. This one is solid. This one is solid. I only see those 2 that are solid. Oh no, 3. There's another one that are solid. So you're going to be careful when you look at them. Okay, and you're going to record the rest of your data. Now it says for me to use the data and to choose the answer. It says how many fewer solid bugs are there than bugs with stripes? Well, you're going to have some data here and you're going to have some data here. We already know. I'll do the solids for you. We have 1, 2, 3 solids. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 solids. Okay, so then the leftovers are the spots here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there's what my data looks like. Now they're going to ask me how many fewer solid color bugs are there than bugs with stripes. So I am comparing solid and stripes. So I don't even need to look at the spots. I'm comparing solid and stripes. So I see that those 2 are the same, and those 2 are the same, and those 2 are the same. And it says how many fewer. So there's that one, but there's not one here. So see how these go all the way to 9, and these are empty all the way to 9. I'm going to count how many of these empty spaces. This is going to be my difference right here, the fewer thans. Because here's the same as. These are the same as. And then these are the more thans. And then these are the fewer thans. And remember, we're not looking at the spots because we're comparing the solid and the stripes. So I count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I choose 6. Then it asks me how many bugs are there in all. That's all of my data. So I'm going to count up 9 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So I look down here, I find 19. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this over and let you look at this. It says sort the fruit, record with circles, write how many in each group. So you're going to do the same thing here with apples and bananas and oranges. Then you're going to look at number 6. Is this sentence true? Choose yes or no. There are more oranges than bananas. You're going to choose either yes or no. There are more apples than oranges. Yes or no. There are fewer bananas than apples. Yes or no. Then number 7 says, how many fewer oranges are there than apples? So you're going to compare oranges to apples, and you're looking then the fewer than. So you're going to be looking for a difference. How many more bananas are there than oranges? Now you're going to compare bananas and oranges, and you're going to look at another difference. And then finally it says, how many pieces of fruit are there? Okay, all of these are fruits, so that means all of them. That means the total. So you're going to write something there, and you're going to write fruit there, because you're not counting an apple this time or a banana or an orange. You're counting all of the fruit, and all of those are called fruit. That's the category. All right, so I'm going to give you a little chance to do that. We're going to save the second page of our practice test for tomorrow's lesson. And happy Math Day.